Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to 230th Networking B2B of Turnkey. We have 3 sessions. In the first session, we have a roundtable. We take turns to introduce ourselves, taking 2-3 minutes. If you have a specific request, please mention. You can share your contact details in the chat box. In the second session, we have a speaker today, Ms.Nilüfer Han Consultancy, founder of Han Consultancy. She was born in Saudi Arabia and she grew up in Saudi Arabia. She's going to tell us about how to develop business, how to do business with Saudi Arabia, the business ethics and manners, etc., how to enter the market. She's an expert on the topic. She is going to share with us her experience. In the last 10 session, we have Q&A. Please keep your questions to the end. We have some newcomers from different countries today. At the moment, we have around 15 participation from 6 countries, but the numbers are increasing. I am the founder of Turnkey. I will make the first intro to set example, and I have a specific request. We have started the journey in 2020 with a couple of business people sharing the same vision with me. Our goal was to set up a global business development network who has representatives in every metropolitan cities and exporters, contractors from different industries. So far, we have reached 40 plus countries, and we have reached around 50 suppliers, exporters, contractors. End of the year target is 50 country, 100 exporters, suppliers. At the moment, our business development amount is $12 million internal turnover. We want to have 15 million by the end of this year. So I need everyone's support to reach these targets. If you bring on board one new member, like we do in BNI, we have some people from BNI like Mr. Walid, Mr. Georgi. They know Mr. Mohammed, they know how it works. So it will be a stronger network, will serve everyone. Mr. Davron is my assistant today. He's the co-moderator and photographer. I will give him the last floor for the family photo. Mr. Ercan Yalçın, Universal Kazan. Mr.
Yes,
Ercan, go
please.
ahead, please.
How are you?
We are good. How are you?
Fine, thanks. Must be working. I have been in Germany, and we take it steam boiler in Turkey, and we export all the world. In first time Turkey, and second time we go all the trade of the world, Moscow, Germany, France, or in Egypt, Saudi Arabia. We look at which country we can go it.
So you are looking for new markets where there is an industry, there is a boiler needed.
Yes, we make all, not only steam boiler, we make it hot water boiler, we make it wood boiler and all this palette for boilers.
All kind of boilers, industrial boilers available at Universal. It is a very
Yes.
old company and one of the leading boiler manufacturers of Turkey based in Istanbul. Mr. Ercan is joining from Germany. Thank you, Mr. Ercan.
Thanks.
Mr. Gürkan from Arken Generator.
Hello to all. This is Gürkan from Arken Generator, Turkey. Arken Generator is located in Istanbul, Arnavutköy district in Turkey. And we are manufacturing from 10 kV to 3,500 kV at our factory. And we are producing generator sets, and we are exporting them all over the world. We have more than 80, Arken is working with more than 18 countries. And we are still searching about our new partners, new clients within these other countries. And that's why I'm here. And thanks to Mr. Rush, we found too many clients. And also I want to inform Mr. Rashid, we just started to work with Mr. Ozan. Yesterday we received all kind of the payment already, and we are.
I am informed that he placed two container order already.
Yes,
with Ethiopia. I sent you another client, potential client, Mr. Suhail, for Iran. Even though it's a tough market and saturated with Chinese products, there is still an opportunity because he told me energy supply is not stable, and therefore it is a good market for energy generator power sets. And he visited your factory. Hopefully he will find a dealer for you in Iran.
Hopefully. Thank you, Mr. Rashid. Thank you to everyone.
Arken is leading generator, power generator supplier of Turkey. They export to many countries. Please check with Mr. Gürkan. Maybe they don't have a distributor dealer in your country. Maybe you can be, or you can find a dealer distributor for Arken generator. We have Mr. Georgi joining first time from Bulgaria. Mr. Georgi, good to have you here. Please, are you affiliated also Global Chamber?
Yes, I'm the deputy chair of the board, in fact. We're working together with Martin and Zlatina.
Also, you are affiliated with BNI?
Yes, member of BNI Multinational now.
Yeah,
I've been just talking to Krum about this meeting and yourself.
Yeah, very good.
Small world.
And yes, we want to have more people. We have this Vimo group. They do supplements, Mr. Krum, and we need a business partner from Bulgaria to help Turkish exporters to enter, and vice versa. You can also help Bulgarian companies to enter, not only Turkey, also other markets. So you are deeply involved in business development networks such as BNI and Global Chamber. And I hope you will like our concept because it is matching different countries and different industries. We talk about concrete demands and projects such as Arken Generators success story. Our business partner from Ethiopia looking for generator manufacturer. We did the matchmaking and he placed the second order. And Mr. Suhail visited Arken Generator this week. Hopefully he will find a partner from Iran. Mr. Georgi, other than business development, what do you do? What is your profession? Are you focused in business development, or do you work in other industries? Please, are you based in Sofia? Tell us more about yourself.
Yes, I'm based in Sofia. Used to live in the UK for a very long time, about 18 years. So that's where my kind of biggest network is. I do business development by vast degree within the technology sector. I help companies expand into different markets, but mostly digital companies having providing services or digital products as well. Almost no really material goods or anything like this, because all my career I spent within the digital economy. So this is what I do, but I do have requests from kind of architectural companies or engineering companies, which are not that different services based, to help them expand into different markets. So I might be able to help them, but mostly kind of digital businesses. And I work with companies mostly based in Europe, all the way from Finland, Greece, Bulgaria, helping them to go into mostly UK as well as the Nordics and occasionally different markets. I have a client, they want more clients in Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. So I believe the basic of business development is relatively straightforward. And I focus on the first bit, which is go-to-market strategy, finding partners on the ground, establishing a presence eventually, and closing the first deals with kind of some reasonable amount of time. And I'm a big believer in person-to-person communication. So I do attend a lot of trade fairs, events, organize workshops, and really try to meet potential clients on the ground rather than using only technology for lead generation. That's what I don't do.
So we shouldn't lose the human touch, right? It is not
Yeah,
only
yeah,
about
very much.
marketplaces. So the face-to-face B2Bs are also very important. We try to
Absolutely.
do it once in a month in the office of a different supplier. Thank you very much, Georgie. We felt like we transferred Messi. You are a good contribution. I hope you will continue joining our meetings. Very good network background. You can contribute to us as well. I am also Turkey Director of Global Chamber. It's my second hat. Thank you very much. I hope to see you regularly.
Sure.
Miss Merve Orkun, we hardly see your face. If you can center your camera.
This is my setup at my desk. Yeah, I cannot see it clearly, so I have a big screen in front of me. This is Merve from Istanbul.
Yes.
We are a CPA office.
We see half of your face. Can you please a little bit? Yes, better.
This is we give service, accounting service to local customers and of local companies and foreign owned companies. We are a team of 11. We have expanded our team this month because of new customers and new projects we have with foreign customers. It's a bit busy days now, so I couldn't attend several meetings last week due to my busy business plan. If anyone is interested to open a company in Turkey, or if they have any problems with registration, we are ready to
accounting and auditing.
Yes.
You have multinational clients, right, Ms. Merve?
Yes. We give service, payroll service too. We give tax advice. We also keep the books. Bookkeeping is also our job. So any accounting related subject, you can contact us to have an advice. For Turnkey members, we are always open to any discussion and any question.
Ms. Merve, I would like to meet you, Ms. Merve Betül Aydın. She's an immigration lawyer. Her office in Fatih. Inshallah, I will organize the meeting. You can support each other. Most of her clients are businessmen and Arabic businessmen living in Fatih area. They might need accountant, auditing services as well. You can collaborate.
Of course, I can meet her whenever you want.
Inform you. Secondly, have you attended any physical B2B so far?
No, I received only one invitation, but it was my daughter was in London and she just arrived on the same time that the meeting was held, so I couldn't come. I was at the airport waiting for her.
Maybe keep in mind we can make the next physical B2B in your office if your office is available. Do you have a meeting room?
No, I don't have a meeting room.
Can you do it in a cafe or in a nearby? We will discuss.
Yeah,
If
yes,
you
it's
can,
better if we discuss it later.
yeah, if you can host us, that will be lovely because we want to see your place and get informed about your services. We can be hosted by Mr. Reza Durdu also, Istanbul Med Assist. He didn't host us so far. I mean, we went his place as small groups, but not the whole Turnkey team. In the last meeting, we gathered 25 people together. It was very fruitful. Thank you very much, Ms. Merve, for joining today. Mr. Reza Durdu, Istanbul Med Assist.
Hello to everyone. Thank you, Mr. Rashid. I am a co-founder of Istanbul Med Assist. Istanbul Med Assist is an international medical tourism company, and we have the service who are interested to come to Turkey for any medical or aesthetic operation reason. We have agreement especially in Istanbul with many clinics, and we work with expert doctors and hospitals. And we are giving whole support, like just before coming, having information about the needs of the patients, like medical reports. Then we do our homework and then evaluate the documentation and asking questions and understanding what they need. And after that, if needed, we support them for visa issue, and then our job start from airport when they arrive to Turkey, and we are arranging all appointment and everything. And after finishing everything, we are giving the summary report in different language, depending their native language, to our patients. And mostly we are more focusing for digital marketing, but surely we are still interesting to cooperate with France, with the Turnkey members for different market to work together. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Mr. Reza. Mr. Mohammed Yavuz Ömer, Expo Kent, our business developer for Iraq also.
Hi everybody. My name is Mohammed Yavuz Hassan Omar. I am from Iraq and live in Ankara. I am representing the country of Iraq. If any company or business are interested to be present in the Iraqi market, I will be more than happy to help. I own a showroom which is about 5,000 square meters, and I completely agree with Mr. Georgi that with this digital age, to make a difference, you have to be present locally. So we are providing that with the right connections and right development. Just a little update. We have last week made a deal with a very large manufacturer in Ankara. And it could be that you will not see me in Turkey anymore marketing this place. I will be responsible only in the Iraqi market, in that part of the business. And
what is the brand and product, Mr.
They have many branches. For example, they have portative containers and in construction businesses and indoor how you say fire escape doors and in indoor doors and metal doors. They have about 3 or 4 manufacturing facility, and they will also be in furniture. So they are coming with the whole package. So maybe they will be responsible for Expo Kent's Turkish division here in Ankara, and also we had a deal with, as I mentioned earlier, with a software company who are in e-government services. Now we have two big deals. And soon, maybe we will be also cooperating with a fund in business development. So this is our updates, and thank you very much.
You're welcome. Very good news. Hayırlı olsun Ömer abi. This company is not Dorche, right? It is the prefab giant.
No.
Door company.
Yes, they have manufacturing facility, fire escape doors and indoors, but the most important thing, they are also in construction. They have the whole package, so they try to take the whole
It is like a turnkey construction contractor for
exactly
for construction projects in Iraq.
Yeah, and instead of me just going and trying to collect one company by one, the whole power will be behind.
So they will rent a whole place to exhibit their products.
Yes. And they also have partners and networks, so they can also be cooperating. But I will be the process of taking companies from Turkey to Iraq will be their responsibility, and my responsibility will be in the field in Iraq to market and getting the connections and the projects.
I hope they will not keep you very busy so that you can enter our meetings.
I will try my best I will not forget Turnkey. I try my best to participate every time. So we will hope to continue also.
Inshallah,
it doesn't matter if it's all. I will end my BNI. This is my last month in BNI because I will be in Iraq. I cannot be physically here. But online meetings, I will be always available. We have internet also in Iraq.
Okay.
Thank you.
We like you. We want you to continue, inshallah. And don't forget Risetta and Artella. Mr. Murat, go ahead, please.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you, Mr. Rashid. As Aslandar Group, I am the export director of the company. We have two high-quality brand names. One is Artella for the high-quality internal doors for villas and apartments as well. And also, especially for the fire-rated doors for the hotels and for also the business centers. We are very well-known company in everywhere. We have a European standards and a British standard certificate, so we are able to produce on behalf of our company as well. We have another brand name, Tresetta, is for the high quality kitchen cabinets as well. As I mentioned to you before that, we have three divisions: retails, projects, and export bases. So our company is also able to produce even one home kitchen cabinets to the thousands of kitchen cabinets, as well as the internal doors. The only point is that we are not producing like a commodity internal doors and kitchen cabinets. We are working especially basis on the projects that the customers needs. The quality needs the equipment because we are working with the international brand names.
Yeah, Mr. Suhail, you can also visit. You were asking me a good brand. Mr. Suhail's wife is Instagram influencer. Mr. Suhail also has over 70K followers. You can visit Mr. Murat's Etiler showroom. They have high-end kitchen and doors. You can make a video shooting with Miss Sabah, Mr. Suhail. You can put it on your social media as well. Mr. Murat, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr.
Rashid. Speaking of Mr. Suhail, please, Suhail, introduce yourself.
Hello to everyone. Actually, I trader with Iran and Turkey. about chemical products and petrochemical raw materials between Iran, Turkey, and Europe, Russia, China. And I have an Instagram page with 73,000 followers. It's too important for any people because in there the followers are businessmen in there, and what I want to share there, the Iranian businessman see that, and we can advertise very easily in there. As
So
you
these 70K contacts are all mostly business people.
yeah, 73,000, yeah.
Good. Yeah, also Mr. Suhail's wife, Ms. Sabah, is a digital content creator. So please try Trizetta and Artella, and let us see the quality of the work and what kind of feedback you receive. And then I will give you more brands. So after Arken, Artella and Trizetta will be good start, good brand for you.
I visited Arken yesterday.
Yes. How was the impression?
Yes, I have to search about Iran. How can find a customer in my Instagram, and other people around. I know them, and I have to. I searched about HS code. It was okay for Iran, but in Iran are many Chinese generator in Iran from China. From China went to Iran. They are very cheap, and I searched them. How can I advertise and introduce their product?
Yeah, I believe there's always demand for a better quality. Arken is European quality.
Yeah.
So if you can match them with an investor who is willing to set up assembly line, they can bring the parts together and form the finished product in Iran. That will be a win-win situation for both parties to avoid high taxes as well.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Suhail, for joining today. Mr. Murat, ALG, Custom Brokerage Services. Go ahead.
Hello, everyone. My name is Murat Tarhan, ALG Customs Brokerage. Our office, headquartered in Istanbul, ALG Customs Brokerage, has been providing expert consultancy service for 32 years with a team of 23 professionals operating across customs office in Turkey. We assist local and international companies with import, export, and logistics operations, and provide guidance on government incentives available for foreign companies wishing to operate in Turkey. Also, you can, if you have any import and export operations, please give me information, especially in Turkey, especially for in Turkey. Thank you very much.
Mr. Murat, I have a lot of GTIP code, HS code for you. Today I gave some HS code. I will let you.
Okay,
Yeah,
if
Mr.
you can.
Murat. Mr. Murat, I shared with you Miss Merve's phone number with you. Miss Merve is SMM. She's working with multinational companies with accounting, auditing. So with the investors who are willing to open office in Turkey, set up company. So I think you can support each other. You can collaborate. So you are in both service industry and similar areas. I recommend to make one-on-one. Don't forget the picture, please. Miss Merve's office in Fatih area.
Okay, I will visit Ms. Merve as soon as possible.
Yeah.
And we are looking what can I do together.
Yeah.
And then I give you feedback maybe next
you.
week. Thank you very much.
Mr. Murat, can you host us this month? Is your office big enough to host a group of 20, 25 people?
I'm not sure now. If you let me time, I will check my schedule and then
Yeah.
I give you information.
Okay, let me know. If you have a big meeting room, we can do it in your office. All right, we continue. Mr. Salim Mohammed, another contact from Global Chamber. Mr. Salim Mohammed, UK. Thank you very much for joining today.
Thank
Go
you
ahead,
for the
please.
invite as well. Hello, I hope everyone's well. So my name is Salim Mohammed and I'm the founder and CEO of Logwich Limited. We're an international trade intermediary service. So what we do, we connect our clients with logistic partners, suppliers and regulatory bodies. We mainly operate in the essential commodities industry, so agriculture, raw materials and precious metals. And we're based here in the UK, London to be specific. But yeah, so thank you for the invite. And obviously, it's my first time on these meetings, and I'm just taking everything in. And if anyone's open to connect, then I'm here as well.
Your main business is logistics, right, Mr. Salim?
No, so it's an international trade intermediary
trade.
service. Yeah, so import export. So what we do is we connect our clients with logistic partners and suppliers and also regulatory bodies. So anything in between that trade flow in terms of importing or exporting, we help our clients basically.
Very good. Selim, we need a regular business partner from UK. As soon as I saw your webinar on Global Chamber, I wanted to contact with you.
Yeah.
You are originally from?
So I was born in England, but my background's Kenyan, so my family comes from Kenya. Yeah.
You are Kenyan originally. You grew up in UK?
No, yeah, I was born here and I grew up here.
All right. Thank you very much for joining today. You can collaborate with Mr. Murat. I think he is in import-export custom business. If you need a partner from Turkey, I can link you with Miss Damaris. She is doing cargo from Turkey to Africa, air cargo. I can link you with Atat Logistic, Miss Ayla. They do container forwarding from China to Turkey, Turkey to other countries. Please join more meetings. You will like our concept and it will help you develop inter-country business. Selim, good to have you. Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you very much for joining. Mr. Walid from UAE.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Walid bin Jamal. I am originally from Yemen. I live in UAE. I represent a company called Coldwell Banker Swap Real Estate. We are one of the biggest franchisee of the big brand in the real estate industry, Coldwell Banker, which is a US company, US-based company, which has been established in almost 1906, almost 120 years in the industry. So we help investors to come to Dubai and invest in real estate, whether they are interested to buy or if they have already property to sell or even for leasing. So my specific ask is to connect me with investors from your contact sphere who are willing to get the advantage of the very vibe city in the world, which is Dubai, attracting millionaires, attracting billionaires to invest in the real estate industry. Secondly, I am ready to also connect you to your target clients, customers, whenever needed in UAE. This is Walid bin Jam'an from Coldwell Banker. I'll put my details in the chat bar. You can connect with me through LinkedIn, through email, through WhatsApp. You are welcome every time. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Walid. You're also your brand registry business continue, right?
Yes, yes, I'm doing it on freelance basis.
Side
Beside
business.
yes,
Okay, but main is now real estate.
yeah, definitely. It's the booming industry now.
Yeah, what can you say to people here, the newcomers, about Turnkey as an old member and somebody who has BNI experience?
You know, being visible to others is the main point to make your business outstanding. If you are not visible, then you are invisible to others. So
Exactly.
we need connections. We need to connect with people from different places. Okay, showing up in such platform, I think Turnkey is one of the best platforms we have come to, and we are now like regular members.
We become like a family.
Yes, definitely, because you know every opportunities comes from people only. If you know people, the more people you know, the more not only connections, like qualified connections. If you know
Yeah.
qualified connections, then you are at the right place and you are at the correct time. You are
The
investing
larger is the network, the more are the business opportunities.
yeah, definitely.
As Mr. Walid said, every business development network has 3 stages. Be visible. First, you have to be visible. And then secondly, build trust. It takes minimum 6 months. Nobody will give you business just because you showed up today. It takes time. And thirdly, to make income. So it's a not very short-term investment. It is it pays off in the long run. Networking. Thank you, Walid, for your comments. Mr.
You are
Akın
welcome.
Sanda from Nigeria. Mr. Akın? Mr. Akın, are you here? Sometimes he has bad connections. Mr. Akın?
Yes, I'm here. Good afternoon, everyone. Let me just switch on my
Without
camera.
risking
Good
your
afternoon.
driving safety, yeah.
No, I'm not driving. I'm at the airport. I just
Waiting to
I just got
pick
back.
up someone.
No, I just got back from Abuja.
Okay.
So good afternoon, everyone. My name is Akin Sonda. I'm a commercial lawyer. I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria. And what we do is we help companies who are interested in investing, also doing business in Nigeria with their legal support. Apart from that, we also help with business facilitation and also with ensuring that you're dealing with the right people for the right product and at the right price. Nigeria is open for business like the rest of Africa. but for the businessmen who want to explore the Nigerian market, they need to be working with the right people. So what we do is we help everyone who is interested in exploring we have a market of about 220 million odd people, to make sure that they can achieve success in Nigeria. That's the objective. Thank you.
And can you please explain us how you help Mr. Reza Istanbul Med Assist in Nigeria?
Okay. Yes, we have assisted Istanbul Med Assist in trying to seek the expansion, though it is an ongoing process. There are opportunities, and also we have, worked with, more or less provided advisory services for people who particularly were exporting or importing their goods into Nigeria. Because often, most times, quite a lot of people don't understand what the technicalities are. It's not what the regulations are, which might result in them spending more than they're supposed to spend. So for Istanbul Med Assist, they seek to expand, and as a foreign company owned in Nigeria, there are also some sufficient benefits that they can achieve once the company is fully operational here. So those are the we've looked at, and that we're working with others. Just a minute, please. Let me just read this up. That we're working with other businessmen to see that their markets can be well and successful in Nigeria.
Thank you, Mr. Akan.
So if I may just slightly add, Mr. Rashid, I'm available to speak to, I know we have some newcomers. I'm available to have a chat with anyone who wants to reach out.
I think you can collaborate with Salim from UK.
Okay.
He's in international trade.
Okay.
A lot of Nigerians live in UK.
Oh, definitely.
I can exchange contacts.
That would be nice.
Yeah, remind me.
But yes, I'll do that. So again, I'm also, subject to confirmation. I might be in Turkey. I want to see whether I can pass through Turkey next month.
That will be lovely. Spend a few days in Istanbul, so we can organize a meeting.
Yes, that's what I'm looking at. Maybe on my way back.
We can organize a B2B in the hotel you are staying, or in one of the offices, maybe. Please let us know earlier, and
I'll definitely reach out to you, Mr. Rashid.
Yeah.
So I know that it's convenient for everyone. So I'll definitely reach out.
We will check. Thank you very much. We look forward to your visit.
All right.
We have Miss Ruby joining from America, Ghanaian by origin. Are you still in America, Miss Ruby?
Yes, I'm still here, but happy to support anyone interested in Ghana. Hello, everyone.
Welcome.
Thank you.
That's it. We are looking for some small talk. You did some business with Istanbul Med Assist. You sent patients, Miss Ruby.
Yes,
and we used to collaborate in furniture industry. You can do one-on-one with Mr. Murat Özlü. You can introduce their products to architects in Ghana.
Okay.
Tell us more. Also give the newcomers some information how they can benefit from Turnkey.
Okay. Hello, everyone. So I've known Mr. President for a number of years now. As he said, we've worked on some few projects in Ghana. And then I hosted him with some meetings when he visited Ghana as well. Joining Turnkey has been wonderful over the years. I've met quite a number of good business people, and we continue to support as much as we can. So I help companies with their market entry strategy to Ghana. We cover all sectors and we tailor our services to meet your specific requirements. I'll be happy to have one-on-one or to find out what your business objectives are and then advise what path you can take to get connected to either distributors, agents, or you just simply want to identify a representative in Ghana. Whichever way, I'll be happy to have that conversation with you. Thank you for the opportunity to talk about what we are able to do. I have a background. I used to work with the British Embassy. I worked there for 17 years in their trade department.
Mr. Salim Mohammed from London, UK.
Yes.
I can exchange. He's in international trade. You know each other from Global Chamber.
Yes. So I just wanted to add that I also double as executive director for Global Chamber in Ghana. We actually hosted Salim Mohammed yesterday at our monthly meetup. He presented to our audience on how you can export your goods to the UK. So he's a very good contact that you can leverage if you are interested in the UK market.
So if you want to enter UK market, he is the right person.
He is indeed.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, Ruby, for also linking Mr. Salim with us. Moving on, Mr. Abdu. Mr. Abdu.
Oh, hi, Rashid. Hi, Mr. Rashid. How are you? Hello, everyone.
Yeah, good. If you can turn on your camera.
Yeah, I'm sorry I'm outside. That's why I couldn't turn on my camera. I wish you excuse me for that. However,
yeah, please tell us about you.
So I'm working in, we are a leading service provider, and there is an industry called citizenship by investment industry. It's a huge industry that help governments to raise investment through a real estate option or through a donation funds that the government leads.
You are from?
We are a Canadian company working in the Caribbean Sea in countries like Antigua and Barbuda and countries like St. Kitts and Nevis. It's programs that have citizenship by investment program that we are managing. These programs, we are a B2B company. We don't work with clients. However, we work with agents like your agents. We help them to submit the file to the government, to follow up with the government, to get the commission, the full commission that came from the government for the investment amount from the funds. Also have our own real estate option, but lately we sold it out. All of our compound gated properties has been sold out. So right now we are working on a new projects that I'll share with you the details regarding that. So the citizenship by investment programs, it's like for someone who's looking for a second passport, who wanted to get a second passport through an investment, through a donation option, contribution to the government fund that is authorized or approved by the government, or to get real estate through buying a real estate like the Golden Visa in UAE, or like the citizenship by investment program in Turkey right now, I think, or a Golden Visa in Greece. So we help your clients to get. You will need a local agent like us to submit this application to the government, and then to get the approvals and help you. And before that, we do an assessment and a quotation. We give you all the tools that help you. Also, we give you marketing materials to help you to get your client, and also to give your client the proper service. We have been working in this industry for more than 30 years. We help government to raise more than 9 billion CSD and all over the years. We started working with the Canadian programs in the 90s. Our mentors, our CEO and board of directors started this company in 1997. And lately we started working for the last 10 years, we start working with Antigua and Barbuda. Lately, we start working with St. Kitts and Nevis, as their government invited us to work with them. So this is us. The investments amount to start from 250,000 USD that the applicant paid, and then
Yeah,
he got
Abdu, we have to get going. Your time is up. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We needed a representative from all these ocean islands, famous as tax havens, and also citizenship is available, immigration is available by investment. I think we met you through Bosco conference and hope to stay in touch, and you will be regular in our meetings, and you can do PR of your services. You can promote your services through our meetings. We have a few minutes, and then I have to give floor to Ms.Nilüfer. Mr. Ejder Ormancı, Turkish contact expert in Gulf, I think. Mr. Ejder, are you here? Mr. Ejder Ormancı. Mr. Ejder. Mr. Lamin. Mr. Lamin. Mr. Lamin, are you here? Mr. Lamin is also African. He does electronics in UAE. Maybe good contact for Mr. Walid. He has an electronic brand importing from China and exporting to Africa. Mr. Lamin, are you here? Mr. Ejder. Mr. Osman Keita from Guinea.
Good morning, Mr. Rashid. Good morning, everyone. My name is Usman Keita. I am a Turkey business developer from Guinea. We are also in logistic and transportation fields. So we transport abroad goods. We transport land. We are in land transportation and international transportation and logistics. Actually, Guinea, we are realizing one of the big projects in iron fields in Africa, in the world. So if anyone, that project called Simandu, it is one of the big iron projects in the world. So I know Albayrak, one of the big company in Turkey, is actually present in Guinea. So they are.
Yeah.
Are you hearing?
They operate the port, right?
Are you hearing me?
Yes, Osman, we hear you.
But Albayrak is present in Guinea. Albayrak is present in Guinea. They have a big project here, airports, reconstruction, and ports. One of the best ports in West Africa is here in Guinea. So Albayrak is make these projects a reality. So if anyone need information, need to meet a partner in Guinea, not hesitate to contact me.
Okay, Osman, thank you very much. Mr. Ejder, Mr. Lamin, last call. Davron, please take a family photo before introducing yourself.
Sure.
Everyone, give us a big smile, please. We will select the best smiler of the week.
Let me count from 5 to 1, please. Mr. Murat Uzlu. I think he's on a call with someone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time, please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you.
Tamam, telefonu ver ufakla. Davron, introduce yourself and then we give floor to Ms. Nilüfer.
Sure. Thank you, Mr. President. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is.
You can also take a few more pictures during the presentation and share it in the group, please. Thank you.
Sure. I'm from Uzbekistan. I'm living in Adana, Turkey with my family. I have been advertising Turnkey products as a business developer to Uzbekistan, and at the same time, I'm connecting Uzbekistan investors in Horeca business who wants to build restaurant and hotels in Turkish quality in Uzbekistan. I'm linking with the reliable companies in Turkey. I have been exporting Turkish house furnitures and Horeca equipment to Uzbekistan.
Yeah, Osman Keita asked me today some table and chair, Davron. I gave you your contact.
Yes, I have been in contact. I have shared the catalogs with him.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So, Ms.Nilüfer, please take the floor, share screen your presentation. We are listening you.
Just let me share my present screen. One minute, I will join again. I think the system is not, okay, now it's allow me to share my screen. Now I think you can see my screen, right?
Yes, we can see.
Okay, just let me first start to introduce myself. This is Nilüfer, born and raised in Saudi Arabia. I'm originally from Uzbekistan. I'm Turkish. So it's been 18 years I was living in Saudi Arabia and turned back to my country to have my university education here. After that, with the 2013 vision, I decided to turn back my second home country and make my own business. So it's been more than 2 years. I live in half of the year in Riyadh and half of the year here in Istanbul. I can speak 4 languages. I can speak Uzbek, English, Turkish, and Arabic. All of them like my mother tongue. So let's today dive into the Saudi Arabia. I will start from A and I will continue with the 2013 vision. And I will continue let you know about what we are doing as a hunt consultancy. So Saudi Arabia is the largest country in the Arabian Peninsula, and it has the population of the 36 million, and the official language is Arabic, and the system is monarchy. So about the country, as you see, the youth population is the almost 60%, and is 60% of the people, most of them, they are under the 60 years old. It means there is a huge potential of the young businessmen and the business owner. So this is one of the reasons why Vision 2030 it come and end up here. And Saudi Arabia is not a manufacturing country like us, like Turkey. They are, most of them, they are importing the products. And Turkey is the 10th country of the importing products from to the Saudi Arabia. They are importing from us, and they are importing from China, and we are in the 10th. We are exporting in many file to the Saudi Arabia. Also, they have an export business. They exporting oil and gas, chemicals, and the plastics, and they import most of the things, the machinery, vehicles, especially food products, electronic products from outside of the countries. So how the Vision 2030 is begun. So before, I think 7 years ago, they have made the Ru'ya of 2013, which means the Vision 2013 of the Kingdom of the Saudi Arabia. The center of the economic was the oil and gas. So they wanted to change the center of the economy aspect of the oil and gas to the other industries, and they have started to make this vision. So this vision is they have the first thing that they want to become a manufacturing company, and they want to use their own population as employers, and they are making localization. And the third one, they want to take the valuable persons to their country so they can open up to all over the world. So the most important things they are making on this, I think it's the tourism file. They made one of the biggest tourism project, the Red Sea project, and it's still continuing. There is 16 islands inside of this project, and it's like the Maldives of the Saudi Arabia. They are planning to make it like this. And there is Al-Ula. Al-Ula is so close to the Medina region, and they are making a tourism place for this area also. It's one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites, and they are moving on this file very well. They are making concerts, they are making some special events in this area. I will share the video of the events after the meeting with Mr. Rashid. And the third one, and the most interested one, is the NEOM. NEOM has the four places that's completing. It's one of them is Regina, the other one is the line, and the third one is Oxygen, and the fourth one is the Sindela. NEOM is a big project. The detail of the NEOM project is they are making the specific sectors for the specific areas. For example, the line is like the people who wants to have a safe place and wants to reach everything by walking, and it's going to be like a green and sustainability area. So the focus is the taking people kind of this in this area is about the line project. And the Trigina is like more focusing on the tourism projects. Oxygen is like more focusing on the robotic and the technologic side. They are making big, huge techno parks that who wants to make their own business there. And the Sindala is, of course, like the second part of the tourism. So everyone is thinking like a NEOM is a one place, but NEOM is a huge, big project of the 2013 project, and it has different kind of stage and the lines. And I think we have a big Turkish companies like Limak, they are inside of this project. But I think as a Turkish people, we are still not be able to there and reach that the capacity of the Saudi Arabia market. So this is where we become as a hand consultancy. So as a person who have experienced 7 years of international trade in the Turkey with the 55 countries, when our trade is open with the Saudi Arabia, I decided to open my own country as a hand consultancy to being the bridge of between Saudi Arabia and the Turkey. So we started to give the expert consultancy. We provide the market analysis and the target customer identification to develop effective market entry strategies for Saudi Arabia and the region. Why Turkish people and the people they need this? Because the trade culture is totally different inside of the Saudi Arabia and the other countries. So there's so many opportunities, but you have to be patient. I think this is the most important and the most different thing about the Saudi Arabia market. And we start as an export consultancy. It was our first service. And with our first service, the second one is with the way actually the company set up in Saudi Arabia. Actually, we have a partnership with this service with the Nexpo Legal. And Nexpo Legal has very 12 years experience in the Gulf region, between Gulf region and the Turkey. So they know the legacies and everything very well in the both countries. So we start to set up companies and the factories with the Nexpo Legal team, because Saudi Arabia now is like, if you want to make money from here, if you want to be in the region, so you have to invest, you have to come here, and you have to work with us. So they have created lots of things for each of the sectors. For example, for the defense sector, they create a company called GAMI. GAMI is which is providing services for the who wants to enter in the defense market with 0 watts, with helping with the Saudi investments, helping with the specific projects and everything. So they create a system like if you want to enter in a specific file, so you have to contact with one of the government's private sector company as like give information, like give example about the GAMI. GAMI is only specificate about the defense side. And there is other, like if you want to move on with the tourism side, there is called another company, and you have to work with them. Yeah, and you have to take one side with the private sector and one side from the government side. So you have to collect all of them so you can dive into the Saudi Arabian market. If you want to work on the market, actually, it's not easy. It's a hard market. The quality and the expectation is really high. So they have SFDA, SASO, and Saber system for the certification services. So if you want to enter this market, you have to have this kind of certifications. So we also start to give the certification services for our customers also. And then, as you know, we start to make business travel planning because there are so many files and the companies, they want to come and see first. And after that, they want to enter the market. So we start to give them a travel planning, and Alhamdulillah, it succeeded. And our target is in 2026 to enter the real estate consultancy market also, because Saudi Arabia is going to be allowed to sell homes and lands beginning of the 2026. So our target is that. And thank you for having me today. And this is all. If you have any questions or anything else, I'm ready to answer.
Okay, thank you very much for the brief presentation, Ms.Nilüfer. I have the first question. We heard the rumors that the line project is cancelled. Is it still going on?
It's still going on. It's not, they have planned as bigger as they have planned. It's become more
So it is downsized, but still
yeah,
continue.
it's still going, it's continue. And our one of the biggest companies, Limak, is the inside of this project. It's very honorable.
Very good, yeah.
But I think still we have a really big potential, but the cultural differences and the things about the Saudi Arabia and the media and all of the things, I think we are still not in the stage that capability that we can make. We have a huge potential as a Turkish manufacturer, so we have to go there. And I think our problem is we don't have cash enough. We have the information, we have the high quality people and well-educated people. So we have to go there and make investments with their cashes and with their knowns. Because the Saudi Arabia now, as an Arabic country, if you work with any Arabic countries, if you're in an Arabic country, you don't have to pay the customs and everything. You can send your product like if you are sending from Istanbul to Konya. So this is the first advantage to make a company or manufacturing to make inside of the Saudi Arabia. And
there are incentives for investors if you want to set up a company in Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, exactly. If you invest, if you're gonna be invest an amount of money to the Saudi Arabia, they're gonna act like you're like a Saudi person. But even if you want to open a branch there and everything, any other things, they are gonna give you special residency.
But citizenship by investment is never possible, right?
No, it's not possible. It's not like us. It's like a kingdom system.
Yes. Gürkan, do you have the distributor dealer in Saudi Arabia?
Actually not. Saudi Arabia has a different kind of voltage system. It is totally different from Europe and other countries.
They use American UL system.
Yes, UL system, and they are using 60 hertz. we are using in Turkey and Europe countries is using 50 hertz, but Saudi Arabia using 60 hertz.
You cannot make a product in compliance with.
No, of course we have the 60 hertz products, but it's a little bit different because when gensets should be 60 hertz, the engine is sometimes completely changing, and sometimes we do not have the stock for the 60 hertz because not our main focusing market for the 60 hertz. So that's why sometimes lead times may be higher.
So it's not one of your target markets.
It is in our target markets, but it is a hard market for us.
I think there are big generator companies that are entering there, like AXA, like Texan.
Yeah.
They are planning.
Yes,
I think AXA has a setup in Saudi Arabia.
Already opened.
It's been years. I think it's been a long time they opened a company there. I don't know it's effective or not, but I think also Texan has planned something like that to open something there.
So you should be there as well, Arken.
Yeah, of course.
Ms.Nilüfer can help you. Murat, have you done any projects, hotel projects in Saudi Arabia or residential project?
We done before. We are still working on some of the projects, but as Ms.Nilüfer said to you, there's some custom rates. So, for example, 25% custom fee, so maybe not negotiable because the Chinese over there, but they don't want to work the Chinese as well. But the big competition for the like a Russian group or the Neom group, now they need like a pure quality, not a high levels, but maybe later on for some of the Neom projects, we will work on it.
Yeah, also, if you want to enter this kind of governmental projects, if you want to enter their vendor system, you have to open your own company inside of the Saudi Arabia. So if you want to enter the vendor system, the system is like you have to invest it.
I see.
Because of that, actually my expertise was in the furniture side before I was opening my own country. So the problem was that when you are working with the trader companies, they have many options. So when they have many options, they are using the cheapest one. But if you open your own company and put a sales representative there, so they can day by day visit them, they can introduce themselves, they can talk about their products and everything, like we are making it inside of the Turkey, it's gonna be more effective because
like you say, Muhammed Yavuz Ömer, you have to be physical existence to enter the market. Like he has Expo Center in Kirkuk, Iraq. You say the same to open a showroom to enter the market.
Exactly the same system for the Saudi Arabia also, because the Middle East people is not, the mentality is totally different than the European and the Middle East. Maybe European people, they can buy it without they are seeing the product, but the other hand, all of the Middle East countries, they love to see what they want to buy. You have to add to value by yourself onto this. So you have
to want to touch the product.
Exactly.
Feel the quality.
Exactly.
Miss Ayşegül, are you here?
Yes,
Can you turn on your camera and introduce yourself? Miss Ayşegül also custom-made furniture contractor. You can do a lot of business together. Ayşegül and Nilüfer. Ms.Nilüfer also come from furniture industry, and you did a lot of hotel projects, including Saudi Arabia, I think.
Yes, in Saudi Arabia we did in Riyadh hookah restaurant, and we also attended to Index exhibition in Riyadh 2 years ago. We tried to make a partnership with a local company, but the company wasn't in the sector. They were in the food industry. Because of that reason, we couldn't succeed. And afterwards, I have been in contact with some Saudi Arabia companies, but mostly they focus on price. Their most important thing for them.
Decision maker is the price in Saudi Arabia. I think the quality.
Not too much quality, because whatever I come across, and the quality of course, but mostly whoever I talked to, they were focused on the price wise, and mostly they were showing me Chinese prices and in hotel
Yeah,
projects.
as a person from furniture background, I can say for mega projects, nobody can beat the Chinese prices. Like 3,000 room Hajj hotel or Umrah hotel. But for boutique hotels, medium size
Or
or
banks,
or villas,
technopark.
palace, they have a lot of princess palaces. They prefer European quality or American quality, right, Mr. Nilüfer?
For that also, you need to have connection. Network is important for that. And
Yeah,
they need to trust you from the exhibition.
that's why Ms. Nilüfer is here. So,
Yes.
Ms. Nilüfer, please visit the mob. I will exchange your contact details, and you can help the mob to get more contracts. They do also coffee chains, restaurant chains, like hookah bars. They can do in Saudi. Shisha lounges are very popular. You can collaborate together. Also, Miss Merve, are you still here? Miss Merve, you have some Saudi clients. They do invest in Turkey.
No, I don't have any Saudi. I have Iranian customers.
So
I do
you
not
should,
have a Saudi Arabian
Mr.
person.
Suhail can bring you more Iranian.
We can talk to Nilüfer Hanım whenever she
Yes,
needs.
I can.
Yeah, also I will exchange your contact details with Mr. Suhail.
Okay.
All right, any other questions for Ms. Nilüfer? Please raise hand. What is the custom rate for the goods going to Saudi from Turkey? There is a general custom rate. How they calculate the custom? Is it the same as China? There is any privilege?
No, actually, the custom rates are differentiate, I think, for the sector based. But I think your customer is important there because they have a suburb system. So if the suburb system is, if someone well known in the suburb system, so they can play in this custom ranges also.
Mr. Mohammed Yavuz Ömer, Saudis are investing in Iraq, Baghdad.
Yes, they are. As I mentioned before, they love Iraq. I'm trying to bring Turkish to the Iraqi market, but Saudis, the last Baghdad International Fair, over 160 Saudi company was participated. And it is, I haven't seen any Saudis participating in any other country outside their land, but Saudi Arabia is a very now trade partner, and also we are opening borders and trade. Maybe it will be much easier. They love to come and also invest. They are investing very heavily, and it's a benefit for both sides. And yeah, it is very amazing. I wasn't expecting that
I think
actually.
months ago, there was an exhibition in Iraq about franchising. There was so many Saudis, they were there. I was
Yeah.
also invited to the Iraq. It was in Baghdad, but I
Yes.
wasn't able to visit there. But in the franchise market, I think they are so interested.
Yes, unfortunately, Saudis, UAEs, there is no Turkey. Last, a few days ago, I mentioned Yelim Hamburger has opened in Baghdad, but Turkish also franchises. But when it comes to food and beverage and this kind of culture, Gulf countries are more
In
very
another
aggressive.
level.
Yeah, they are very aggressive when it comes to the Iraqi market, and the thing is, they they see what is going to happen in Iraq because they have been seeing the potential there. So thank you for your presentation, and I hope you the best. And hopefully, I send a request on LinkedIn to connect with you, and we will take it from there.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you very much.
Any other questions? So I think since everyone introduced himself or herself and presentation is done, thank you very much, Ms. Nilüfer. Ms. Nilüfer is here if you want to enter Saudi market. We received around 22 participation from 12 countries. It was a very fruitful session. See you on next Wednesday with another speaker. Enjoy the rest of your week. Have a nice evening. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.